you. Don't try to sound like a salesperson trying to sell something. I've said this a lot. This definitely applies. This applies more than ever to LinkedIn prospecting. We've talked about this in the past where you don't want to make your prospects increase guardedness by sounding like a salesperson. This is even more important on LinkedIn because especially when you become connections, like I said, when you become connections, you're almost sending a gesture like, let's collaborate, let's network. You're not asking them to invite you to be connected with them so that you can sell to them. You need to be cautious of not creating that impression. By the way, if I go back to this email, like I said, not only is this all about the seller, the salesperson, but this is very much, I'm a salesperson and I'm trying to sell something to you. This person is trying to sell website redesign. Instead of trying to sound like a salesperson, you can do small things to sound more like a business person, more like a consultant or an advisor. And if I go back here, the consultative selling approach will decrease how much you sound like a salesperson and will help you to sound more like an advisor or a consultant.